What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos, and also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Ayro. It's another electric vehicle company that you guys requested, so I'm super happy to do this video today, and let's get started. It is currently 11:26 a.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is currently trading at $5.06, down 9.73% for the day, and up almost 2,000% for the year. Ayro is super interesting to me because they've segmented themselves and found good placement in the market, in my opinion. They design low-speed electric vehicles for universities, corporate campuses, and commercial use. This isn't an EV company who's trying to be the next Tesla. This is a company who's trying to do their own thing, build from the ground up, and create a more sustainable future. I know that on college campuses there's usually a good amount of golf carts and gas-powered work purpose vehicles. There's somewhere north of 4,000 universities in America, so coupled with the global opportunity, this could easily be a huge total addressable market for Ayro. We currently have two models for sale, being the 311 and the Club Car 411. When it comes to Ayro, their sales structure is pretty much B2B and not B2C. It's always easier to sell stuff to businesses than it is to sell to consumers. A lot of times with these purchasing agreements, they're contractual deals for multiple vehicles to be sold, which means that they could actually scale up their sales a lot faster instead of trying to sell to consumers and then battling the status quo and getting them to change their ideas about the vehicles that they use for these type of uses, even though they're not limited to just the business space. Businesses are more inclined to look at purchasing decisions as an investment. So we have to further examine Ayro's value proposition to pretty much understand if it's going to be worth it for these businesses to make the switch. Right off the bat, it seems that making the switch could be a great decision for businesses because it seems that the cost of ownership when owning one of these electric vehicles is going to be a lot cheaper than owning a gas-powered vehicle, according to Ayro. They claim that customers will save 50% annually when compared to their gas-powered equivalents. As someone who researches the EV industry very closely, these statements don't sound too outlandish to me. In electric vehicles, there are less moving parts, so with that comes less maintenance, of course. And we know that EV drivers spend less to power their vehicles as opposed to going to the pump and refueling. So consumers also might want to make the switch because it's more sustainable. Going green is the thing to do these days, and it's becoming more and more important. Companies want to make a good social impact. If you truly believe in an electric future, then this company could be a good play, in my opinion. I don't see competition at this time in the market that they are targeting, and it sounds like a good idea to me. Unlike other utility vehicles, Ayro vehicles are street legal. The 311 can travel on roads and highways with a top speed of 55 miles per hour. Their 411 can travel on roads with a top speed of 35 miles per hour. Like I've said previously on this channel, the automotive business is extremely capital intensive, and this company is a startup as well. So with that, we expect them to be losing money right now. So if you look at the trend in earnings, it is negative. Investors invest in companies like this on the belief that they will eventually turn these numbers around and begin to benefit from economies of scale. Majority of the large holdings here are large institutional investors and insiders. This is a good thing because it shows that the people who have the most information about this company and probably the market believe in the company. Alpha Capital has a vested interest of 700,000 shares. So I like this company, and in my opinion, I don't think it would hurt for me to open a small position and see what happens. But to be honest, I do still think that at this point it's pretty early, and I'm gonna call this one a spec play, in my opinion. This is a speculative investment to me. Maybe in a few weeks I'll open a little position. I just want to see how things play out for these couple of weeks because the stock has been downtrending right now. So I'll probably wait like a week or two and then open a small position. And hopefully we can talk about Ayro more on this channel, and I can continue to research this company for you guys. So that was it for this video. Super glad that you guys requested this one. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And also leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think about Ayro and if you're investing or not.